So by the end of this video, you guys will pretty much learn why you are failing as a swing trader and how to recover from it. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. For those of you that don't know who I am, my name is Carter and I've been a full-time swing trader for about 6 years. And honestly, exciting news, we just released a brand new swing trading course where we talk about strategies, how I find stocks, my mindset. There's a group chat, live streams, quizzes, lectures, and I know, when people think of a YouTuber selling a course, they cringe, and I get it. But I'm telling you, this thing is absolutely fantastic, and I would highly recommend it. I'll put it down below. You guys can use code YouTube for 20% off. Check it out. Let's dive into how to become a profitable trader. So when people think of swing trading, they think of an easy way to get rich quick. And honestly, this couldn't be further from the truth. Swing trading is not easy. You know, it's like a doctor trying to become a doctor or an engineer trying to become an engineer. It takes years of practice, hard work. And honestly, the biggest thing is that people think it's easy. And what happens when people think it's easy is they fund their account and they start trading. The issue with this is you could make trades and make money, and you could have no education, no experience, but still make a little money. Now what this does is, as a beginner, you think it's easy, so you put in more money, but before you know it, you lose. About 90% of swing traders actually lose money, so 10% succeed. How do those 10% succeed? In my opinion, it all comes down to a couple of things. The first thing is education. Obviously, the more you learn, the more you're gonna earn. That's just with any industry. But the great thing about swing trading and trading in general is nowadays they have something called paper trading. Paper trading is using simulated money to develop a strategy and mindset and an edge so you can make money in the market. Personally, I would recommend doing this for at least 6 months to a year, and I know, I can already hear the comments saying, Carter, that is way too long. I am looking to make money today, tomorrow. Hey, I get it, but swing trading is not going to be your option if you're trying to get rich quick. Go to the casino and put money in roulette. But paper trading, on the other hand, is using simulated money, so it's not your hard-earned cash. Now, what this does is it helps you practice risk management skills. It helps you practice your entries, your exits, and overall develop a plan. Develop, a strategy. Imagine if there was 2 football teams and they're versing each other. The first football team had no plan. They had no playbook. They had nothing. The other team had a playbook, a defense, a strategy. Who do you think is going to win? The team with the playbook. Swing trading is the same thing. You have to have an edge. You have to have a strategy to make money. Now, once you guys paper trade for at least 6 months to a year, and I know it sounds like a lot, but you need a paper trade in all market conditions, a bull market, bear market, flat market. But after you do that, what I would recommend doing is funding a small account. This could be a Robinhood account. This could be a Moomoo account. Moomoo is the broker I use. The reason why you want to start small is because you don't want to go crazy. The next part of this learning period is learning emotions. There is going to be a little bit of a learning curve because your emotions are now tied to money. It's just something that just comes with experience. You have to get over that hump of emotion. Honestly, because if you're holding a stock and you think it's going to go to $1 million, you're going to have hope. But if you're seeing other people buying this certain stock, you're going to have FOMO. You have to be like a samurai. You have to be just cold stone. Just, I'm only buying this if it's my strategy. I'm only selling this if it hits this, stop loss or whatever. You need to start small. And what I always say is, if you're making, let's just say $10 a day. I know it's not much, but the only thing that's separating you from making more is share size. So start small and just start compounding your account, and before you know it, you'll grow it very, very, very fast. The last thing to do to become a profitable trader is to constantly learn. With the market changing, your strategy will change as well. I do see this time after again. What swing traders do is they have a solid strategy, then the market shifts, then the market changes, and they keep using the same strategy but in a different market. That's a recipe for disaster. The great thing about swing trading is having a paper trading account. So if you're unsure about a trade, you can just go back to your roots, go back to paper trading and say, okay, now the market's taking a step back. Maybe we'll adjust our stop loss, maybe we'll adjust our profits, all that stuff. So constantly learn, constantly read books, take courses like mine. It's fantastic. But anyways, not even promoting mine. I'm just saying there's a ton of great options out there for beginners to just get started with swing trading. Guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one.